Okay, I want you to think about something for a second. There's a web page you've probably seen 1,000 times, maybe even just today. It's simple, it's stark, and it is absolutely everywhere. Yep, it's the Google sign-in page. It looks so basic, right? But what if I told you it's arguably the most important doorway on the entire internet? So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to pull this thing apart, piece by piece, and see what makes it tick.
Right? It's a place we just click through, totally on autopilot. But have you ever actually stopped to think about what's going on here? Because every single thing on this page, everything, from the text box to those tiny little links at the bottom, they're all there for a very specific reason. It's actually kind of a masterpiece of design, hiding this incredible complexity behind the super simple screen.
So first things first, this isn't just a login page. It's way more than that. Think of it as your personal digital doorway. Yeah, it's like the passport control for your entire online life. When you land on this page, you're not just trying to check your email, you're getting the keys to unlock your photos, your documents, your calendar, your entire digital existence.
And right there, that's the doorman's instruction. It's so clear, so direct. It's asking for one simple thing: prove who you are. The whole purpose of this entire page is just boiled down to that one request. This is that moment where you have to show your digital ID.
Okay, so how do you prove who you are? Well, you need your master keys. And no, I'm not talking about physical keys, obviously. They're your digital credentials. These are the unique identifiers that separate you from literally billions of other people online. You know that first box, the one asking for your email or phone? It's not just a blank text field. It's a very specific request for your primary digital credential. It's like the first part of a secret handshake that only you and the system are supposed to know. And for that key, you basically got two main options. Your email, that's the classic. It's like your digital P.O. box, right? It's a stable address, it's been around forever. But your phone number, that's different. That's a much more personal link. It literally connects your online identity directly to a physical device that's in your pocket. And the fact that you can use either one, that makes it a really robust way to prove that you are in fact you.
But this digital door isn't just about letting you in. It's also about keeping other people out. And hiding right there, in plain sight, are these little safety levers. And they're designed to protect you when things inevitably go wrong.
And this might be the most important one. That forgot email link, it's your lifeline. It's kind of like hiding a spare key under the doormat, except, way, way more secure. Because we've all been there, right? That moment of sheer panic when your key doesn't work. This little link is like a calm voice saying, hey, don't worry, I got you, I can help.
So when you click that link, it doesn't just magically give you access. No, it kicks off what you can think of as a security handshake. First, you say, hey, I need help. Then, the system comes back and asks you to prove it's really you, maybe with a code sent to your phone. And only after you've proven you're the real owner, then the door unlocks.
Google also gives you some proactive advice right there on the page. And it's a really crucial security tip. It's basically warning you that if you're signing in on a public or shared computer, like at a library, a hotel, even a friend's house, you could be leaving your digital front door wide open if you're not careful.
So what's the solution it offers? Guest mode. Just think of it like a temporary cloak of invisibility. When you use guest mode, you're basically a ghost visiting that computer. You can sign in, do whatever you need to do, and then when you leave, poof, no traces. No cookies, no history, no safe passwords, nothing left behind.
All right, but what if you don't even have a key to begin with? Well, that's where that Create Account option comes in. And this isn't just signing up for some service. This is like forging a brand new master key that's going to unlock a huge part of the digital world for you.
Seriously, clicking Create Account is a huge moment. You're not just getting an email address. You're establishing a new unified identity that's going to follow you everywhere, across Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, Google Maps, dozens of other services. You're not just opening one door. You're being handed a key that opens the entire building.
Okay, and finally, let's look at the very bottom of the page. See those links? They're almost hidden away. These are the rules of the house. These three little links, help, privacy, and terms, they are the legal and operational foundation for everything you do once you step through that digital door.
Let's break them down real quick. Help is pretty straightforward. It's your support desk for when things go wrong. Privacy, now that's the big one. It explains what the homeowner, in this case Google, is allowed to do with your information. In terms, well, that's the legal agreement, the contract you accept just by using the service.
So that contract,
The one buried in the privacy and terms documents, it really boils down to 3 big questions. 1. What data is being collected about you? 2. How is that data being used? And 3, and this is the really critical one, what rights and controls do you have over your own data? And the thing is, the answers are all right there, before you even type in your password.
So when you look at it all together, this simple, elegant page is so much more than a login screen. It's a doorway. It asks for your key, it has a lifeline if you lose it, and it even warns you to be careful where you use it. But it also, right there at the bottom, presents you with a contract. So here's my question for you. The next time you land here, before you type anything, just take a second and think, once you turn that key and step inside, what have you really agreed to?